Hey cousins, welcome to another video from Loving Every Stitch by Ruby Baby. I'm Ruby Baby, and in this video I simply want to talk about this wearable. So first of all, this is like probably one of my first wearables that I've ever made that I'm actually wearing. So I am so excited for it, and I just want to talk about it with you guys really quickly. So first of all, it's been cold all spring until today, the day that I decide that I want to wear a sweater. But I don't care. I wore it anyway, and I wore it with pride. I wore it to church today, and I got all the compliments. So I just want to talk about this. I have my little my little tag there, but I took some pictures of it so that you can see it in its entirety, because you're not going to be able to see it much here. But I mean, if I would have made it longer, I definitely could have worn it over my head. But do you guys know our cousin Dr. Katrina at Mindful Crafts and More? Well, if you don't, her information will definitely be down below. She tested my new pattern, and I've been wanting to get to make this for the longest time, and I said, as soon as I get that new pattern off my crochet hook, I am going to make that vest. She has a recipe tutorial on her channel on how to make this, okay? And it's so simple, and it was very enjoyable to make, very customizable to make, and I was just so happy to be able to do this and model this for her. I made this using the Coffee Shop by Premier. This was the ball band of this, and they come in cake form. And I used 3 cakes to make this vest, and this is 284 yards or 260 meters, and it's 85% acrylic and 15% wool, right? And it's a number 3 yarn, and I used 3 cakes to make this whole vest. And see, it's, you know, it's all of the things, all things lovely. And so I know my cousin Dana over at Creatively Created Crochet, she made one also, and I believe she's doing a little giveaway. I have to look into that to be sure. I'll try to have that information. If it's still going on, I'll try to have that information down below also, because she's trying to encourage people to make a set, also to make a vest also. So if you want to make a vest, I believe she is doing a giveaway for a $25 Amazon gift card, if I'm not mistaken. I'll whatever the information is, if I can find the information, I'll put all the information in the description box below. And if it's closed, I'll even let you know that giveaway is closed. But I wanted to show you this and all of its glory. I wanted to tell Dr. Katrina, you did a fabulous job with explaining how to create this piece. And like I said, it's very customizable to any shape and size. I just really want you guys to go check it out, and maybe put one of these in your wardrobe. Like, it's, you know, this was a self-striping yarn, so I just let the yarn do what it did. I didn't color control it in any way. And like I said, I took a bunch of pictures, and I'll show those at the end of the video so you can see it in its entirety. But I love it so much, and I'm definitely gonna make more of these, because this was a very therapeutic make. Like, I really enjoyed making this because, you know, it gives a nice stitch definition, but at the same time it is a mindless thing, so you don't have to think or count too much. You know, it's It's just lovely. It's just lovely, and I'm glad I was able to put it on my hook before it got really, really hot, because I probably won't be able to wear this again until the weather cools down. But look at it. I mean, I probably can wear it if I didn't have sleeves. Maybe I can get this off, you know, but it's very warm because of the wool content in it. But you know, maybe I could make a lighter one or a cotton one. So so yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys this vest. Thank you, Dr. Katrina, for everything that you do. She is just you know, just very instrumental in our YouTube community. Like, you know, she has a channel and she's so crafty and so creative, and she helps you exercise your brain, exercise your mind, you know, and it helps you be creative. And so she gives you so many great ideas and so many things to just run with. So, you know, I just want to give her her flowers because she deserves them. And I just, you know, I wanted to point you in her direction. If you've never been over there, or even if you have and you haven't seen her in a while, I definitely encourage you to go hang out with her for a bit, okay? As she says, thank you for hanging out with me for a bit. So yeah, so that's all for this video. I just wanted to share this with you all. Thank you for spending some time with me, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye. Hey cousins, one last thing. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated with every video that I post, okay? Thank you so much. I love you again.